So we have with us Ms. Agarwal. Welcome to BW Business World and BW Marketing World. My first question to you is, would you call this year a good year for marketing sector in terms of marketing budget and growth?
Well, despite the upheavals that we are facing in the world, around the world, in fact, I think we have a very robust D2C market, and the domestic consumption is robust. So as well as even in terms of the government initiatives that have happened, we see a sustained growth. In fact, we've noticed that the remarkable GDP that we've had at about 8.4% just paints a really, really lucrative picture. In fact, the industry that I represent, which is commercial real estate, with this whole influx of GCCs coming to India and India continuing to be the largest offshore market, it just gives me all the more reason to be positive, optimistic, not only about the industry, but about the entire marketing space that we handle.
So last year we have seen a lot of talks related to AI and AI generated campaigns as such. So why we are not seeing that AI generated campaigns in India? Do you think we are lagging behind, or do you think that creative professionals are still adapting to this new technology?
I think firstly, for all marketers, we are in the most exciting time of our careers, where we've lived through traditional media, where we've lived through this entire influx of digital. We've seen the heights of how a digital media can be used, and we continue to use it. Then came the whole creator industry leveraging, your digital. We're kind of leveraging that. Lastly, I think when AI came in, we are expecting the usage of AI too soon, in terms of, there's so much that we need to learn. And the reason why I feel that it hasn't been leveraged to the best that it can is because it could be lack of knowledge, lack of training, lack of complete understanding of how best you can extract. And I think to some extent it could also be, a fear of AI. How do we are we capable or not? So I think in terms of usage, it will see the growth and the drive that it needs to, but I think we just need to start experimenting more with it to be able to see usage of how we've seen our digital era grow. We will definitely see this grow, but it was too soon for marketers to just ask that AI has come in and now start using.
So my last question to you is, any internal strategies and goals that you're going to pursue at your company to drive the overall growth? Or what can we expect from your company in upcoming time as far as your sector?
We do understand this whole geopolitical condition that's existing currently. Adding to that, if there is any, policy changes that happen, we're ready to pivot our plans and kind of adapt to those newer environments. But I think if one really needs to succeed in a strategy that's drawn out for the year, you need to just adapt, innovate, and also kind of, look at strategic partnerships.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.